In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add mockups to a design on Visme. Whether you're working on an engaging presentation, a compelling infographic, or any other creative visual project, adding mockups can elevate your design significantly, giving it a professional and polished look. Let's explore how you can seamlessly integrate these into your existing Visme projects. First things first, you'll want to open your project. Start by navigating to the Visme editor and locating the specific design where you're looking to inject a mockup. This is an important first step because having your project ready will allow you to focus on integrating the mockup smoothly. Once inside your project, you'll need to find where the mockup magic happens. Direct your attention to the left sidebar and click on the Photos tab. Within this tab, you'll see an option labeled Mockups. Clicking on this will display Visme's extensive range of mockup assets. These assets are your toolkit, and they include a variety of mockup categories. Whether you're focused on technology with phone and laptop mockups, or exploring other realms like apparel, billboards, or business cards, there's something available to meet your specific needs. Now, with the variety displayed in front of you, it's time to choose a mockup that best suits your design purpose. When you find the perfect mockup, simply click it, and Visme will automatically insert it onto your canvas. This interactive feature makes the process of adding elements both efficient and fun. With the mockup now on your canvas, it's time to personalize it with your imagery or design. Click to add an image, and you will be presented with several options. You can opt to upload a brand new image directly from your computer, select an existing image from your files within Visme, or even choose from the stock images available in Visme's library. After selecting the image or design that you want to showcase, click on it and watch as Visme places it perfectly within the mockup frame. At this stage, you have the flexibility to reposition or resize the image to ensure it fits just right within the mockup. Achieving the perfect fit sometimes requires a bit of tinkering, but Visme makes this process intuitive. Now let's take that creativity a step further by customizing the mockup itself. You can easily move or scale the entire mockup frame on your canvas, allowing you to adjust and fine-tune your design's layout. Additionally, you can enhance your project by adding other design elements such as text, icons, and shapes around, or even over, the mockup. To further tailor the aesthetic, consider changing the mockup's background. You might opt for a specific color that aligns with your brand or overall design style, or select an image that complements your creation. A well-chosen background can often be the final touch that ties everything together seamlessly. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to adding mockups to your designs in Visme. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful, and I can't wait to see how you'll use mockups to bring your designs to life. Happy designing with Visme!